$4 a day. That's the price of a coffee or a gas station snack. It's something you probably don't think about. But if invested consistently, it becomes more than $780,000. There's a reason why most people never see that number. Not because the math is hard, it's something totally else. But to know that, you'll have to give me 8 minutes. Here's exactly what happens when you save $4 a day, the real reason almost nobody does it, and 3 steps to actually get there. Let's make this real. $4 a day becomes $120 a month, and that's $1,460,000 a year. Consider you invest in an index fund with an average annual return of about 10%. After 10 years, you've put in around $14,600, and that has become roughly $25,000. I know this isn't very life-changing yet. Notice something? You're up about $10,000, all from compound growth, not something that you needed to work extra for. After 20 years, you've put in $29,200. But now, that money has become a little over $93,000. After 30 years, the amount invested is $43,800. But the amount received is roughly $278,000. And at year 40, that money has become almost $782,000. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, I don't have 40 years, see this. What if you have 20? What if you have 10? What if you're 45 years old and you think you've already missed the window? Let me show you something. If you're 45 and you start today, $4 a day, same 10%, same boring consistency. By 65, you've put in roughly $29,000. Your account shows close to $93,000. Is that $1 million? No. But ask yourself, would $93,000 change something in your life at 65? Now ask yourself a harder question. If you don't do this, what's the number at 65? It's 0. When you're 70, do you want every hospital bill, insurance payment, or emergency expense to feel like a crisis? Or do you want to wake up in a home you've built, look around, and realize that thousands of tiny decisions made decades earlier quietly paid for the life you're living? The difference doesn't begin at 70. It begins with the next $4 you decide not to spend. The best time to start was 20 years ago. But the second best time? It's today. This $4. Think about it. If you invest $5 every day, after 40 years, you'll have $977,000. If you invest $6, you'll be having $1.1 million. The point is not $4, $5, or $6. The point is, are you willing to commit to it? Notice how between years 0 to 10, you gain $10,481 in interest. But between years 30 to 40, that exact same $4 a day habit generates over $503,000 in interest alone. Time does the heavy lifting. 92% free money at year 40. Out of the final $782,000 balance at 40 years, you only physically deposited $58,400 from your bank account. Over 92% of the final wealth comes purely from compound interest. But there's a reason why still most of you watching won't reach here, and it's got nothing to do with money. Most people hear 40 years, and their brain does 2 things. First, that's a long time. Second, I could use that $4 today. And that second one, that's the one that wins. Every time. Because $4 today is a coffee you can hold. It's a streaming subscription you can watch tonight. It's immediate. It's an instant gratification. $1 million 40 years from now feels too far away. Your brain wasn't built to care about 40 years from now. Your brain was built to survive this afternoon. Think about that for a second. The math isn't the hard part. Anybody can understand the math. The hard part is that your brain treats a small daily pleasure as far more valuable than a future fortune. Because the pleasure exists right now, and the future doesn't. So now, I'm sharing with you 3 steps that helped me build wealth from scratch. If you apply this, you're already ahead of most people. Step 1, remove the decision. Automate it. Set up an automatic transfer. 120 moves from checking to an investment account on the first of every month. You never see it. You never decide. It just happens. Step 2, call it what it is. Don't call it saving. Saving sounds like deprivation. Call it buying your future self's freedom. Every $120 is a purchase, not of something you'll consume today, but of something your future self gets to have. Step 3, don't check it. Seriously, the first year will look like nothing. $1,400 sitting there doing very little. If you check it, you'll talk yourself out of it. Let it be invisible. Let time do the thing. Compounding doesn't reward attention, it rewards neglect. The less you look at it, the better it works. Take a screenshot of these 3 points, you're gonna need them, trust me. Go to the comment section right now and tell me, if you had to give up one $4 daily expense, which one would it be? Mine was the gas station energy drink. Switched to making coffee at home. Felt stupidly small at the time. The math says otherwise now. $4 is just a symbol for every mindless expense in your day. The delivery fee you paid to avoid walking, the sale item you didn't need, the subscription running in the background. When you spend it, you're not just out $4. You're robbing your future self of decades of compound growth. 2 people can earn the exact same salary. One redirects $4 a day into an index fund. The other lets it slip away. 40 years later, they live in entirely different worlds. Not because one worked harder, but because one stopped the invisible leaks. Yet the real secret? This isn't actually about the money. Every $4 choice proves to your brain that your future self is worth sacrificing for today. You don't build wealth and then become a disciplined person. You become that person first, choice by choice. The $500,000? Just a side effect. The real payoff is who you become. If this shifted something for you, hit subscribe. We're building a community of people mastering the money lessons we all wish we were taught earlier, straight from real, hard-earned experience. Because this is a new channel, every single subscriber right now directly helps us build this foundation from the ground up. Before you go, drop a comment below. What's one money topic you wish someone had taught you years ago? I read every single one, and your answers directly shape what I make next. I'm Ryan, this is the Dollar Dad. I'll see you in the next one.